Did you know images can be processed using frequencies instead of pixels? This technique is called frequency domain processing. Normally, image processing happens in the spatial domain, where we modify pixel values directly. But using mathematical tools like the Fourier transform, an image can be converted into the frequency domain. In this domain, the image is represented by different frequency components. Low frequencies represent smooth areas and overall shapes, while high frequencies represent edges and fine textures. For example, if an image contains random noise, we can remove it by filtering out certain high-frequency components. This technique is commonly used in medical imaging, satellite images, and digital photography to improve image quality. Frequency domain processing analyzes images using their frequency patterns. This helps computers remove noise, enhance details, and detect important features. And that's why it's a powerful tool in modern computer vision systems. Follow for more AI Simplified.